Welcome to SURVAE. Here you can see the SURVAE video player. In a normal video, it can be almost impossible to know where and when a scene was captured. Typically there's very little, if any, context available other than what's within a title or description. So the SURVAE video player includes a fully interactive map. This map contains recorded route that was taken by the camera or UAV during the recording. And it includes a blue dot that shows the location of the camera and, if it's available, the heading or the direction that the camera was pointing. So this player includes a whole variety of maps. Here you can see Google Street, terrain, satellite, a bunch of specialized maps, and also there's support for layers like KML, KMZ, Esri shapefiles, and other geospatial data that really helps with context. So hovering over this recorded route gives you a thumbnail preview of what the camera saw from that location, and it also includes the time, so you know when the camera captured that view. And as you move your cursor along the route, you can see exactly what the camera saw all along the way. It gives you a preview, so it makes it very easy to find content very quickly and intuitively. Clicking on the route in any particular spot will jump the video there, and as the video plays you can see the blue dot is moving along the path. That tells you where the camera is in the video, and then also at the bottom right in the video player you can see time, so you can see when the camera actually captured that, both date and time. You have a similar kind of preview along the timeline of the video player scrub bar, and as you slide back and forth you can see the mapped thumbnail is tied together with this with the scrub bar, and you can see the heading of the camera changes and so on, and you can jump around also by just clicking on the timeline, and you can see the blue dot goes to that spot, so that's the time and location is tied together. So on the map, up at the top right side of the map, there's a couple of controls help you with managing your map. If you zoom way out for context so you understand where you are, or you've panned your map around to go to some other location, you can return to your video and zoom into your video by clicking on the pin, and that just brings you right back to the video. Or the other option is if you were somewhere else and you wanted to center on the blue dot and keep the blue dot centered in the map view, you can click on the centering button and it takes you right back to the current location in the video. And that will stay that way. It'll keep that blue dot centered if you zoom in or out until you either toggle it back off or you drag the map. In either case, it stops the centering of the blue dot, and you can always return right back and zoom back to the full route if you wish. So this video player offers 3 different ways that you can view maps. You can not have a map, you can have a sidebar map like this, or you can do one in the top right corner, and then of course you've got your different resolutions, and you can also display dashboards. So in this case we're going to select a digital speedometer, which shows you altitude, it shows you speed, and the compass heading of the camera when it was at that location, and those each get updated as the video is playing. So there's other kinds of dashboards. We're going to go over some of those in other videos. Some of the dashboards will display a graph of various types of sensor data, and there's different types of formats and all, and can be really useful. It helps you to understand context, not just geospatial context, but also timeline context, and to be able to attach all sorts of data to your video. So videos are private by default, but they can be shared or made public. The player can be embedded within your own website if you want, and you just click on the embed button down here, and at the bottom you can see some code. You copy it, and then you can paste it right into your own website. Or you can share the link if you wish. Really easy way, and it's a real benefit because you can share this video player with other people and they immediately know where and when a video was captured, and that solves a big problem, and that's great for everything from engineering to and construction to land management, government, and even for recreational and travel and all kinds of other uses, news and all. It really helps to know where your video was captured. So in summary, this is the video player. It provides you with powerful and intuitive way to manage, and understand your videos and to know where and when they were captured.